Hello, statistics students. The third condition is you need a normal or an approximately normal population in order to calculate a confidence interval for means. If you don't have that condition, you need a sample size bigger than 30 or equal to. And if you don't have either of those and you have small data sets, then there is even a third condition, which we will talk about later in the week. So I want to focus in on the first two. So we're going to return to the examples that we looked at. So in this particular problem, we knew that there were 52 crows randomly selected, so n is 52. Since n is greater than or equal to 30, it's safe to use this calculation for a confidence interval for means. So the third condition is satisfied here because the sample size 52 is bigger than 30. So you might say the sample size is larger than 30, so it's safe to calculate a confidence interval. So as long as you have a sample size bigger than or equal to 30, it's safe to use this process. Let's look at another example. In this water bottle example, they were only selecting 4 water bottles. Well, that's not larger than 30. But if you read the problem, it will say, here I'm going to highlight it in green, it can be assumed that the amount of juice that is dispensed is normally distributed. So sometimes if you don't have a large sample, the researchers know that it follows a normal distribution, so it's safe to use this process. So here, the problem states a normally or normal distribution. So it's safe to use this process. Please return to the Desmos.